Backing up your DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL database is a crucial step in ensuring the integrity and availability of your data. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a backup of your DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL database. First, you need to access the DigitalOcean control panel and navigate to the Databases tab. From there, click on the PostgreSQL database you want to back up. This will take you to the Database Details page where you can view information about your database, including its size, status, and connection details. To create a backup, click on the Backups tab. Here, you can view a list of existing backups, including their creation date and size. To create a new backup, click on the Create Backup button. DigitalOcean will then create a snapshot of your database, which can be used to restore your data in case of a failure or data loss. You can also configure automatic backups for your database. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab and click on the Edit button next to Backup Schedule. From here, you can choose how often you want backups to be created, such as daily or weekly, and at what time of day. You can also choose how many backups to keep, so you can balance the need for data integrity with storage costs. In addition to using DigitalOcean's built-in backup features, you can also use the pg_dump command to create a backup of your database. This command allows you to create a SQL file that contains the schema and data of your database. To use this command, you will need to connect to your database using a tool like PSQL, and then run the pg_dump command with the correct options to specify the database and output file. It is also a good idea to store your backups in a separate location, such as an object storage bucket, to protect against data loss in case of a disaster. DigitalOcean Spaces is a convenient option for storing backups, as it integrates well with the DigitalOcean control panel and allows you to easily manage and retrieve your backups. In conclusion, backing up your DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL database is an essential step in ensuring the integrity and availability of your data. By following these steps, you can create manual and automatic backups, use the pg_dump command, and store your backups in a separate location. Remember to always prioritize data integrity and take regular backups to minimize the risk of data loss.